For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching You and Me. I am Shraddha and if you are new here then please subscribe. Raksha Bandhan is coming and almost every brother must be in tension right now that what gift you should give to your sister. But you need not to worry boys, because today I'll take you to Sarojini Nagar where you can buy some really amazing trendy gifts for your sisters, that too at a very cheap price. And girls, you should definitely watch this video till the end so that you can find things of your choice and can demand it from your brother. And also I'll tell you at the end of the video that what I purchased for my little sister and why. In today's video I'll be showing gifting options other than dresses and footwear. What else you can buy from Sarojini Nagar, because dresses and footwear are something that every girl wants to first try it out on themselves and then purchase. So I'll show you gifting options other than dresses and footwear. So let's go. According to me, the best and the classiest thing that one can find in this market is a handbag. Either your sister is a school-going, college or an office-going girl, or even she is married, bag is something that every girl just loves. And you can get them according to your preferences. Either it's party wear for shopping, college and even for office. Look at this one, it's so formal and just perfect for an office going girl. And these backpacks, every college girl will just love them. All these bags were just for ₹400 and they will not bargain at all because they all are of so good quality and the shopkeepers know that people will definitely buy them, so they don't do any bargaining. Now there are also these bags. I don't find them so good. They are not of so good quality. And you can get these bags in every Delhi market. They were just for ₹100. These sling bags are also a good option. They were also for ₹200. Now let's see some clutches. They are also a good option. And if you are a kid and want to give your sister a gift out of love from your pocket money, then you should buy these. They were just for ₹100. And if your sister is a cute little kid, then they will love these Barbie bags. And these ethnic and handmade bags and clutches are so good. They can go with everything, either with Indian or with Western clothes. For these you have to bargain with these ladies. Now let's see that what other options you can get here for gift. You can also gift your sisters these mugs or jars or sippers. They were so cute and not more than 100 or 150. There were 5 to 6 stalls in the market and you will find many different kinds of cups, mugs and decorative items made of glass and china bouillon. They are also a very good gifting option. Jewelries are also a very good option. You can get them everywhere in the market starting from ₹20 till 100 or 150. They are good in quality, trendy and one cannot get better than these for just a reasonable price. Every girl loves to wear them and these are also a good option for your sister. Along with jewelries, you can also gift them jewelry boxes. They were so pretty and adorable. You can also gift them these cute little phone covers. There are plenty of girly phone covers available in the market at just ₹100 or 150. Also, So you can go for these sunglasses if your sister likes wearing it, and even if she doesn't wear, you can give them a pair of it and she'll love to wear them. There were a huge variety of sunglasses available in the market, and they'll cost you just ₹100. Though we have completed our 5 things, there are few more things that you can gift them, maybe bells or watches. And if your sister loves home decor, then you can gift her these small artificial plants or flowers. They are so beautiful. I didn't wanted to show any dresses or footwears today, but I just love this white dress, or you can also wear it as a top. And also these footwears were so attractive because of its colors. They are so light in weight and just perfect for rainy season. And now the most cutest gift in the world, soft toys. Every girl or a kid in this world just love them. They were just for ₹100 and a perfect gift for a girl. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. So now I'll show you what I purchased. I bought this mug for my sister from the crockery stall that I've showed you. I really love this. I mean, it's really new to me. It has a spoon holder and a spoon here. My sister loves drinking milk, so I bought this. Now you must be thinking that why I bought a gift for my sister. We are only 2 sisters and she is younger to me. She likes tying Rakhi to me, so that's why I love giving gifts to her in Rakhi. So that's why I purchased this, and I'm definitely sure that she'll love this. If you want to know any other information that how you can reach to Saroshni Nagar or what all other things you can buy there, so I'll link the other videos that I've made about Saroshni Nagar here in the I button. You just need to click this. So with this, I'll end my video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You know what you need to do. You just need to click this icon right here